Good morning, class 1. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start new chapter for next term, that is the final term. We will start chapter number 4, that is some other computer parts. In the previous term, children, you have studied about the four basic parts of computer, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. In this chapter, children, you will learn about some other parts which are very important, but we do not consider them main parts of the computer. Okay, so let's see what all we are going to study in this chapter. Some other parts of computer: CD, DVD drives and hard disk drive, printer and scanner, headphone, speakers and joystick, UPS, modem and webcam, pen drive, wires and cables. So these are the topics which you are going to study in this chapter. Let's start the chapter, children, then. A computer system has some more parts. CPU box has DVD drive or CD drive in it. Means you have seen the picture of the CPU drive as well as you have seen the actual CPU as well. In that, children, we have DVD drive or CD drive also. Okay, like this is CD drive and this is DVD drive, but you do not get to see it in this form. You just see a slot for CD and for DVD. Fine. So this is CPU box and it has drives for both. CD and DVD are used to store the work done and the data that is used on a computer. What is the use of CD and DVD? These are used for storing our data. Okay, when we have to take the data from one place to another, we can make use of CD and DVD, and it can store our data as well as the data, as well as it can store the information that we require for our use. Fine. Now remember, CD stands for compact disc. You must have heard this word earlier also, and now it is clear that CD stands for compact disc. Now this is hard disk drive. Where is hard disk? uh, Hard disk is placed inside the computer, inside the CPU box. Computer stores the data and the work that is done on the hard disk. Means it is placed inside the CPU box, and unlike, means not like CD and DVD, we do not remove it so often. Okay, we usually remove it only when we have to move from one place to another, and because it can store a large amount of data, so we let it be placed inside the CPU box most of the time. Fine. It is also used for storing the data and the work that we do on the computer. Fine. Now this is printer. You can see the picture of the printer, and you must have seen various kinds of printers. This is not just one type of printer, but various kinds of printers are available in the market and we can use it. They can be black and white or colored also. Now, number one, printer prints the work shown on the computer screen onto a piece of paper. What is the function of printer? It prints the work shown on the computer screen. Means whatever that we see on the monitor, whether it is the data or the information or whatever it is, even if it is a drawing, it is used for printing that onto the piece of paper. Second, with the help of a printer, different pictures and the text displayed on a computer screen can be printed on a paper. Means we can get the print out of it. Means the hard copy of the things which we see on the monitor. It can be pictures, it can be text. Okay, and why do we need? For our personal use or for sharing it with others. Fine. Now this is a scanner. This is the picture of a scanner. You have studied about a scanner earlier also. Now let's see in detail what is the use of a scanner. Scanner scans the pictures and the text and stores them inside a computer. The work of a scanner is opposite to the work of printer. What does it do? Means suppose if you want to scan this picture, if you want to take this picture from your book into the computer, so what you will do, you will use a scanner. You will place this picture or this page in the scanner. It will scan this picture and then this picture will be displayed on the computer. Means in the printer, what are we doing? Whatever that is visible on the screen, we are getting its printout on a paper. Here, whatever that is printed on the paper, we are scanning that onto the screen of the computer for our use, obviously for our use. So the work of printer and scanner are opposite to each other. Fine. So in this period we have studied about CD, DVD and CD drive. Then we have understood what is the use of CD and DVD. Then hard disk drive and what is the function of hard disk, printer and scanner and how they are opposite to each other. Okay, so you will revise this during the weekend and we will continue with the chapter in the next period. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.